welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you're already a subscriber, I appreciate you returning to watch this video. If you are not yet a subscriber, I hope you'll enjoy this video enough to subscribe to my channel. So this is an order from Beebeecraft. I joined their YouTube partnership program. You can order close to $40 worth of free items if you have over 100 subscribers. So I will place their link in my description box. You do your unboxing, and then you do, I think, 2 videos after that using the crafts that you ordered. And I placed this order a little while back. Oh, you think you have like 2 months to do all of this? So this is going to be like some wintry type of crafts. I don't know what happened here, but I think either I messed up or I thought this was going to be a red ribbon. So we'll have to try to work around that. Okay, so this is the ribbon. Well, this is a pretty good quality ribbon. It's very pretty. This one has a pin in it to keep it down. It's very pretty. It's very pretty for fall. Very pretty ribbon. I may have made this mistake when I ordered this. So we'll try to work around that. And be very careful not to cut anything. So then I ordered these silk screen stencils. I didn't know if I ordered 2. I didn't mean to, but we'll have one for a giveaway, won't we? Let's see, we'll open this and see what these feel like. Ooh, that's a pretty good strong smell there. Okay. So I got 5 of these wood rounds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 of those. All right, so if you're interested in this partnership program, I will, the link will be in my description. And I'll be back here shortly in a day or so with a little DIY using these things, a little craft. Not a DIY, a little craft. So this is pretty, seems like it's pretty good. Pretty thick wood. Yeah, pretty sturdy. All right, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.